What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to be anonymous on Glassdoor and how to add a review or something like how to add a post and how to add a review. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor. Now, after typing Glassdoor, you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Just simply click on that website. And if you are new to Glassdoor, just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account, just log in with that account. And then you will be redirected to this homepage of Glassdoor. Now, to post or to create something, on your right side, click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you will see this option of profile. Click on it. After clicking on your profile, click on contributions. Now from here, you can add a review, add salary, add a job interview. You can even add a photo and an employment condition. So this is how you can anonymously add on Glassdoor. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.